Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to remove background using Canva. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Canva, and in order for this to work, you need to have the Canva Pro, okay? So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to click on Uploads here at the left side of your screen and click on Upload Files and choose the image that you want to remove the background. So let's just wait. And then now as you can see it's here. So I'm just gonna move it right here and you can adjust the size of it. And now you need to click on the photo, right? And then click on the edit photo here at the upper left side of your screen. And you can see now here at the tools section, you can see the background remover. Okay, so just click on that. Just need to wait. And now as you can see that the background is now removed, right? So now you can just go ahead and click here on filters so that you can put some filters with it like that. And you can also move it here or right here, wherever you want. And that's it. That is how you remove a background on Canva. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.